Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you how to get leads from LinkedIn. So all you need to do just to go to your search bar on LinkedIn, then write. Suppose if you are looking for clients to serve them your social media marketing service. Okay, so I'm writing looking for social media marketing service. Okay, then go for search. From there you can find, maybe if somebody has joined new job, so they will be announcing it right here. Somebody is looking for any kind of opportunity, you can see it right here, exciting opportunity seeking digital marketing agency. Okay, so you can approach to these kind of people. Okay, and here also you can see everything, digital marketing intern. Okay, so if you are looking for leads, or you are looking to maybe to join a company as an intern or specialist or whatever it is, just go for this kind of tactic that you can use. Okay, so yeah, just stay tuned. Bye bye.